This is a quick video on how to resize some of the slicer controls in the dashboard. So I've got the 2025 version of this checkbook opened up. I'm going to go visit the dashboard screen. You'll notice that when you try to move or do anything with these, they're currently locked in place. Here's what we want to do. First thing I'm going to do is shrink my view down. So there's the 100% and a little minus button. I'm going to click that a couple times to get this a little bit smaller. And next, I'm going to select all of these graphs together and then shift them a little bit to the right so I can make some more room. So I'm going to click on the first one, and from now on, I'm going to keep my control key held down. So I got my control key held down. I'm going to click on that one, click on this one, and get them all selected so we see little dots. Now I can let go of my control key, and it doesn't matter which one I grab, and I'm just going to click hold down and just kind of drag this over. I think I'm going to go all the way over to the side there. And just for aesthetic reasons, I'm also going to click once on this area and then grab it right there and just make that wider just so it looks nicer. Okay, next, I need to do a right click on these guys. So I'm going to go right click, and there's an option for size and properties. So again, you did a right click, choose size and properties, and under position and layout, we need to expand that open and turn off this disabling of the resize. Okay, I'm going to leave this panel opened up, click on this one, and then uncheck the disable, click on this one, uncheck disable, check on this one. This one's already unchecked, so that's good. And now I'm just going to click and drag this way over, trying to be careful to line that up. And this one, I'm just going to now grab it by the edge and make it much wider. Your preference on how wide to make that, but I think what I might do is go ahead and make this maybe a little bit wider. And then also, make this one match the width of the one above it. And let's go ahead and make this wide as well. Just kind of make things look uniform. Um, and that should do it. Now, if you want, if you still have the side panel opened up, you can just click on these and relock them in place. You don't have to do that, but I find that it does just kind of help from accidentally moving these slicer boxes around if they are locked in place. Okay, and then we can X out or close this formatting of the slicer window. And then you might want to zoom your percentage back up here at the bottom back to the 100%. And that should do it.